Hi, I'm Kimberly Petrocaro and I'm with Static Works. Have you ever wondered why anti-static carpet is so ugly? It's not anymore. Static Works is a partner of Interface. Together, we've come up with over 120 different color options. We have options for linear patterns. We have naturally distressed patterns. Think about places like 911 call centers where there's 24-hour foot traffic. You use a pattern like this and you can barely see anywhere. We have regular pattern options. We have options for installing non-directionally or quarter turn. We have options with no dye lots that are mergeable. We can make our carpet in planks. We can make it in 24-inch by 24-inch if you want to use it for Posi-Tile or Haworth system. We also have our standard 19.69-inch tiles. All of the carpet tile is made to handle critical environments. And they can also all be installed using a glue down method with adhesive or glue free using a combination of tack tiles and ground bridge or Posi-Tiles or position buttoning. We have low order minimums, about 100 square yards, so if you have some larger projects and you really want to customize, you have full availability of all the colors. If you have smaller projects, we have a bunch of quick ship items and we can usually get them out the door within about 48 hours. So it's really up to you. We're always available for technical support as well. Let us help you. Thanks.